Good day, everyone. Welcome to our program, the Daily Maths Consult Maths. So, yes, we can come to find solution to challenging problems in mathematics. Now, today, we are going to go through this question. And then the question is: salesman bought some place at 50 naira each. If he sold off for 600 naira and made a profit of 20% on the transaction, how many plates did he buy? Now the question is of profit and loss. So the missing item there is the number or the quantity of items he bought. The price is given. So the missing item there is the quantity of items. Now remember the selling price in this case is equal to cost price plus profit. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. But you also recall that our profit here is a percentage of cost price. So the profit is a percentage of cost price. So the profit is 20 over 100 times cost price. So we can now have selling price as cost price plus 20 over 100 cost price. So everything that will give us 120 over 100 cost price. Now, the total selling price is given, which is total selling price is given as 600. So, our total selling price is 600 naira. Now, computing this into the equation, you have 600 is equal to 120 over 100 cost price. Now, that is 600 is equal to 6 over 5 cost price. You can cross multiply. So that our cost price is equal to 600 times 5 over 6. So cost price is 500 naira. If total cost price is 500 naira, this is how much the salesman actually spent. If he spent 500 naira total, then how much was each of the places? How many places did he buy? Now, you should collect that total cost price is equal to cost price, unit price times quantity. Now, the total cost price is 500 naira. This is equal to cost price 50 times quantity. Now, quantity bought is equal to 500 divided by 50. So, quantity bought equals 10 please. Therefore, the salesman bought 10 plates. With this, we have come to the end of yet another session. Subscribe here to our YouTube channel. Thank you.